I'm Polly Beth. I speak in schools throughout the country helping to manage and change difficult classroom behaviors that interrupt instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. I'd like to throw in a couple sensory breaks every day for my elementary students. Even though we'd miss some academic time, what's your opinion? Great. That's my first opinion. But whatever you do, don't make it too structured, like it's sensory break time. Notice the audience, because what you want to teach them is that they may have longer periods of time where they can tolerate, and they may have other days that it's hot out, it's cold out, and they can't tolerate as much. So we want to respond to kind of their lack of attention with that sensory break when they need it. If they're overscheduled, like now it's our sensory break and they don't need it, well, that is a waste of time. But when they need it, they need it. And so notice it. And I don't even call it a sensory break. I say to kids, hey, let's do a reset. Reset's one of my favorite words. I say, hey, you know what, guys, let's reset for a minute. Even if it's in the middle of teaching something, because I'm noticing that they're kind of unraveling. And it gets their attention back. So sensory breaks, fabulous. Make it a little less structured, and it doesn't have to have a time limit on it. Read the audience, and then you can even say to them, so guys, remember, if you start to get the wiggles, here's what you can do before we kind of get up and wiggle together. Teach them some techniques inside to recognize when they're having a hard time paying attention. And then your sensory breaks are going to really make a difference. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.